I love it. Thank you, Suzy. Gamit na gamit ko yung Starbucks fan. As in. Okay, next. Keep a cherry. I'll keep this sticker. Ilalagay ko dito sa journal. OMG! Binigyan ako ni Tita ng dress! Thank you, Tita! Okay, the big reveal. What is this? It's from Atheram. Oh my gosh! It's a Pilates board! Ate, if I still had the energy, I will cry. I love this. Shout out to say real, di mo na ako bibilan. I still don't get this. Anyways, thank you.